Brand Assembly Show is a fashion and lifestyle trade show playing host to 250 plus contemporary brands and 1,000 plus buyers in an immersive environment designed to be both fun and efficient. Launched in 2020, Brand Assembly is a collective of brands, buyers, press, and wellness influencers working together in a unique trade show environment where balance is the priority. Brand Assembly was founded in 2013 by retail veteran Hilary Franz. Prior to launching Brand Assembly, Hilary gained extensive experience in wholesale and retail buying at fashion brands including Diane von Furstenberg, Kate Spade, Rachel Zoe, Guess, and Kimberly Ovid. Scaling Retail sat down with Hilary Franz, founder of Brand Assembly, and Matt from a current affair vintage pop-up shop at Brand Assembly, as well as several brands that were showing during that trade show. Love collaborations with Love Project instead of traditional badges. Section on feminine sensuality products, vibrators and lubes, tote bags and encouraging people to vote, and other collaborations with socially responsible companies. Every table hosted for lunch and Four Sigmatic with their coffee bar. Now, what we love about Four Sigmatic foods is that they have 100 of the most nutrient-dense, most studied foods on the planet, and now it's easy to add to your daily routine. Designers and Agents, DNA, is an independent trade show well known for changing the landscape of the modern trade show experience by bringing a selection of curated designers to the marketplace in New York and Los Angeles. Now, what I love so much about DNA is that they have brands that are super original, have a lot of creativity, and a tremendous amount of quality. The unique and distinct point of view with DNA is one that every time you go to the trade show, you're bound to meet new brands that you've never seen before, as well as brands that you have grown to love and seen develop over time. Scaling Retail sat down with Barbara Kramer, founder of DNA and The Plant Lore. Now, The Plant Lore is a first sales and representation agency specializing in top shelf CBD and hemp and plant alchemy, beauty, and wellness brands. We all know that the cannabis space is one of those big industries in the CBD world where we're seeing a lot of great movement and a lot of great brands that have been popping up. Now, our third stop, we headed over to the California Market Center and took a look at the O2 show. At the California Market Center, we went to see showrooms like Label Array, the Kids Show, and the O2 show. Now, Scaling Retail sat down with Garrett Gooch about the O2 show. The O2 show is the first wholesale trade show in the US focused entirely on promoting ethically made and sustainable brands in fashion, accessories, jewelry, beauty, wellness, gift, and homewares. What do they not cover? Now, this particular trade show was born out of the desire to promote an eco-conscious lifestyle and really be able to bridge the gap between brands and retailers, where retailers can access and find amazing wholesale brands that are ready to scale and that have solidified supply chains. Now, the O2 show combines integrative platform of wholesale, pop-ups, collaborations with an entire online platform. And to be honest, guys, being online and being in person is exactly the way in which we have to look at things. Brands out there who were only online are seeing the need to, really think about what those in-person activations look like. And then brands that are only in person have to look at what their online activations look like. Now, the O2 show is really building together a community of like-minded people, retailers, and brands who really want to take a stand for ethical production, beautiful design, and being able to scale something that is more sustainable.